Hi everyone, and welcome to our Make My Trip app development clone demo. We guide you step by step through the features of our platform, from creating an account and browsing hotels to making a booking and managing your profile. Let's get started. First, you need to log in. If you don't have an account, simply tap on Create Account. If you already have an account, just type in your email and password, then tap Login to continue. Next, you'll arrive on the home page. Here you can explore various categories of accommodations and services. You'll also notice banners showcasing current discounts and promotional offers. The design is clean, simple, and user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to find what they need. Now, let's move on to searching for hotels. Tap the Hotels category to open the search screen. Here, you can enter your destination or preferred location. Next, choose your check-in and check-out dates. After that, select the number of rooms you need and specify the number of adults and children. When all the details are entered, tap Search to see available options. Once you've tapped Search, you'll be directed to the listing page. Here you'll see a list of available rooms and properties matching your criteria. Each listing shows essential details like photos, location, and price. You can scroll through the options and tap on any listing to view it in more detail. Next, let's say you want to check where a hotel is located. Just tap the View on Map option. This feature opens the location in Google Maps so you can see the exact position, nearby landmarks, and how convenient it will be for your travel plans. Now, let's move on to the room details page. Here, you'll find everything you need to know before booking. You can browse photos of the property, read about its highlights, review the cancellation policy, and check room amenities. The page also provides a complete breakdown of the price, so you know exactly what you'll be paying. It's important to carefully review policies, room features, and the total cost before continuing. Once you've found the right room, tap Book Now. If you have a promo code, enter it in the promo code field and apply it to receive your discount. Next, you'll be asked to fill in guest information. Enter the first name, last name, phone number, and email address for guest 1. If there's a second guest, enter their details as well. This step ensures that the booking is registered correctly under the right guests. Once the details are filled, you'll see a final summary of your booking. Double-check the room type, dates, guest details, and total price. If everything looks good, tap Book or Confirm to complete the reservation. Immediately, you'll receive a booking confirmation on the screen and also by email. Now let's move on to the Profile section. Here you'll find all your personal information, your bookings, and saved items. Under My Bookings, you can review your past and upcoming reservations. Under My Wishlist, you'll see all the properties you've saved for later. From here, you can also update your login details or even delete your account if required. Next, explore the booking schedule. This feature lets you plan upcoming trips and hotel stays. The system automatically sends you reminder notifications to keep you on track. Tap the notification bell icon to view all your reminders in one place. Finally, let's look at the settings section. From here you can update your profile details, change your account password, choose your preferred currency, manage your notifications. This gives you full control over your account and ensures your experience is tailored to your needs. And that's it, a complete step-by-step demo of Make My Trip Clone. With this platform, you can plan trips easily, manage reservations, and enjoy a seamless booking experience, all in just a few taps. Thank you for watching this demo, and we hope you enjoy.